Usembut Menteri Bhah Jylla ubah Preston Tensong, ubah kemiru ekatrat PWD Roads ulang Ladep ban pynkhreh purai ke lynti ban peniat ke surok Pynursla Bypass, bat kebasak mentah kelong satang ban yono ke Bhah Tyngka na ke Sorkar Pedeng. Ubah Preston Tensong ulang ba kejing keno ke affidavit ke belu ujor syaka Meghalaya High Court ba 4 lak ban pendap ke kejing peniat ke lynti jong ke bypass namar bagalami kejing persyak na kita raisnong kelong ke babakla. Bat yang menta namar bala pendan bentalang ya barok ki klik nong senchar snong kinong kit kam snong ki try jaka bat ya barok ki badan benta bat ki lalet iki jaka ban penlong ya kejing jurip bat kim shim la shim ya karai de kabsyong jingelang haka community hall ne haka no ke jaka bat menta lala ban pendap purai ke lenti ban peniat ke surok jong ke surok Pynursla Bypass. Usembut Menteri Bhah ulang bagi terai jaka kila menjur ya kene kejing peniat ke lenti jong ke surok ke batamai ke balaliat deka PWD bat ke NHIDCL. Ladep ban IT sya ke tenat Road Transport and Highways bat cek office terekam jong ke NHIDCL. Bat ulalit ru Delhi benetai sani ha kejingelang bat ke officer bat ukermen scam basyan ansa yono ke Bhah Tyngka na ke benta kene ke project ke bajrong ko mashipo haduk khatlai kilometer.
Reaching to Pynursla Bypass, which is called as Package 3. In the Package 3, in fact, initially survey was started, so ultimately due to misunderstanding here and there between NHIDCL and the local authority again, then we have to keep it on hold. It was kept on hold. But in the recent months, what happened was resurvey was again conducted, and then we have from the state government also convince the traditional heads and then the landowners to cooperate and also to see the necessity of having a Pynursla bypass. So I would like to inform you, I'm so happy to inform you that ultimately even the community, even the landowners, they have already agreed, and the final alignment done by the state government, state PWD and the NHIDCL has been forwarded to the Ministry of Road Transport and the headquarters of NHIDCL. And recently when I was in Delhi, I had a detailed meeting with all of them, with all the concerned, and I'm very sure very soon we'll be able to get the sanction. Of late, that's what I'm telling you, of late, because we involve all the local headmen, all the extent members of the locality, even the landowners. We have involved everybody, and we went to the spot, not only taking a decision from community hall or from a place where all of us were just sitting, but due inspection was conducted in presence of the local authority, in presence of the SDO civil, in presence of the deputy additional ADM in charge revenue, in presence of the NHIDCL representative, and also in the presence of the engineers from the state PWD, and finalization ultimately has happened as far as alignment of Pynursla Bypass is concerned.
Ubah Preston Tensong uletu uru bo ulapan sengau ho secretary ka tenat Road Transport and Highways ka Sorkar Pedeng ha gejingelang ha Delhi ha kabedai pagejing sniu palat jong surak National Highway Bahenrio na lum shnong shado kiang bat ka National Highway Authority of India kalap ha contractor ban maramot ikan ke surak. Uletu bo secretary Katenat Road Transport and Highways haswa banwan ke ayam liur unwan hidala dia ban jurip ikan ke surok berkekenhuan jong ka National Highway Authority of India bat katenat Road Transport and Highways bat kenet jurip ika jaka ke bami kha ke jing tua khandau kamtam ha ke porslam uliah turu be ke surok nadu lat umroi syaduk ke bakut jong ke Jylla Meghalaya an penkelano sya ke surok 4 lane bat ikan ke project IT ha ke NHIDCL bat menta kidang penlong ya ka jingle ya ke sorjamin ya ki jaka.
I can't say when should it be ended, because again at the same time now, right from this Lat Umroi up to the last point of Meghalaya, it will be converted into 4 lane, and again this project has been handed over to NHIDCL, and NHIDCL right now they are conducting the survey. And not only this survey, they are also in touch with the formalities for identifying land with the help of the respective deputy commissioners or district collector of each district.
So, like you rightly mentioned, that area that
There is no alternative. I'm just telling you, we don't have any alternative. When, in fact, so many experts sent by the Ministry of Road Transport, what they can do is only to protect that portion of tunnel. There is no way out till such time where the survey, the detailed survey for full lane is completed. Otherwise, right now, the way out is they have to only improve and make sure that the maintenance is taking place on 24/7 in that stretch.